Hello, my name is Vireshwar Yadav and I belong from Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh. I did my engineering in mechanical from Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad. And post that I worked in TCS as a system engineer for 40 months. There I worked for a insurance domain client and I worked on technologies like JDBC, Oracle, SOAP and REST web services, Java, Spring, etc. And I was module leader 4-member teams as well. There I along with my team won prestigious Tatva award by my client for enhancing and developing various client application and improving the speeds and performance of the applications, and we automated various processes as well. For that we were being awarded with on the spot award by TCS, and our enhancement Bharat Bill Payment Services made our client one prestigious CFL award by Government of India for being the first company to implement it. And then uh, the biggest challenge in my job which I faced was when my module lead had to leave for his home due to some personal emergency, and my one very critical application got stuck. So all the stakeholders started queuing up at my desk and started mailing me. So it was like a very tense situation, but I kept my calm and I went through the processes and I talked to the other teams to understand their processes. As I was new, so it was a very new and very challenging situation for me, but this made me learn how to behave in a proper challenging situation, and I come out victorious. I found out what the problem was and I have consulted the team from which the problem was happening, and then I get it resolved, and I was again awarded with the thesis on the spot award for that as well. And now move to the academics. In my academics I was head coordinator of my college technical society some way, where I conducted various technical and non-technical events at college level and intra-college level as well. There I organized seminars and conferences, so and tech events as well. So I organized events on Tech Fest like Sea Legacy, Junkyard, Robo Soccer, okay, etc. Plus I organized seminars on green technology, tomorrow's India, pneumatic, etc. And to add value to my engineering degree, I did various automation and robotics courses, like I did robotics and automation programming, basic and advanced from KUKA Robotics, and then I did automation technology basic and intermediate course certification from Bosch Rexroth Group. Post that I did designing course in 2D and 3D from AutoCAD, and my final year project which was automatic drilling on the periphery of pump casing was based on my learnings in the Bosch itself. And my project, I was the team lead of my project as well, and my project was funded with a 80,000 rupees amount by college and Bosch jointly, so which was considered as a big achievement. And for that also I got the highest marks in my project in my whole college. Your goal is to work in a progressive environment where my learning and creativity will be enhanced and encouraged, so it will be helpful for not only in my career growth but growth of the company as well. And 5 to 7 years down the line I see myself growing by leveraging my business knowledge and slowly stepping up into the shoes of senior management and become an asset to the company. And as far as my long term goal are concerned, I always wanted to give back to the society. So my long term goal is to work with Indian government as an advisor in policy making, and I wish to industrialize the agriculture sector to benefit all the stakeholders, especially farmers. And for doing that I will be needing having proper business understanding and execution, which will come after very good experience only. And being from IT background, so I am very much inclined towards cutting edge technologies like AI, machine learning, blockchain, IoT, etc. And I did some courses on that as well. And currently, I did data analytics course in and Python course, Tableau, etc. from Udemy as well to increase my knowledge in this sector. And my strengths are I am a very positive and hardworking person, and I believe in complete utilization of the resources. As far as my hobbies are concerned, I used to write short anecdotes in my local language. And thank you, that's it from my side.